Oil India Limited recruitment for different posts in different categories. So this is the advertisement number. This is the Navaratna public sector undertaking, and there are some vacancies in different parts of India: Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Rajasthan, Mizoram, also Kolkata, Guwahati, Noida, Delhi, and also there are also overseas vacancies. The Oil India has a presence in USA, Russia, Libya, Nigeria, Gabon, Venezuela, Israel, Bangladesh, and Mozambique. So let's see. This is the official site of Oil India Limited, and if you just see here current openings, if you just click here, this is what the recruitment date, and the last date for this is 30 October 2020 till night 11:59 p.m. If you just click here, you will be directed to the notification. So this is the official site. Let's see, there are some vacancies for senior engineer. This is experience basis, and also let's see which are non-experience basis. So these are all superintendent engineering. This superintendent engineer, it needs a 3 years experience, and manager, it also needs 3 year experience. And for medical officer, MS in ENT from recognized Council of India, and superintendent medical officer pathology. There are also some of these streams which needs MS and MD specialization. Now we'll see for the group grade B positions. Senior medical officer, there are some vacancies put together, total 3 vacancies. The requisite qualification is MBBS with the 2 years of post qualification experience, and senior security officer, the requisite qualification is graduate in any discipline with appropriate 2 years of experience is needed. And senior officer electrical, the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in electrical. So there is no experience required for this post. So those who have bachelor degree with 65% marks are eligible for this post. The pay scale is 60,000 to 1,80,000. So this is a great opportunity. There are total 27 vacancies for EWS or unreserved, and OBC there are 30 vacancies. For SC category there are 32 vacancies. Sorry, this is the age criteria. For unreserved category, 27 years is the age criteria. For OBC, 30 years is the age criteria. For scheduled caste, that is 32 years, and the vacancies are for unreserved 1 vacancy, for scheduled caste 1 vacancy, for OBC NCL 2 vacancies, for EWS 1 vacancy, total 5 vacancies. So the eligibility criteria for this senior officer electrical is just a bachelor degree, no experience is needed. So for senior officer HR, that is HR 12, the post code name is HR 12. There are total 2 vacancies, and the eligibility criteria or age criteria for unreserved is 29 years, and for OBC NCL is 32 years. So the requisite qualification is MBA with specialization in personal management or HR or HRD or HRM with 2 years of duration, minimum of 60%, or a postgraduate in personal management or industrial relations, and with a minimum 2 years duration of with 60% marks. So this is what the requisite qualification. The percentage criteria is 60%, and there are 2 vacancies for senior officer HR. So for senior officer legal, the requisite age criteria is for unreserved 27 years, for ST category 32 years. There are only 2 vacancies. The requirement qualification is bachelor degree in law. So LLB degree is with the 60% marks is required for senior officer legal. For senior officer mechanical, the requisite qualification is bachelor degree in any of the streams of mechanical, automation. These are all excluding branches. The requisite qualification is only mechanical engineering, and also 65% marks. The total vacancies are 18. And also senior officer instrumentation, there are 4 vacancies. The requisite qualification is bachelor degree with 4 years in instrumentation engineering with 65% marks. For senior officer geophysics, the requisite qualification is PG in geophysics or applied geophysics exploration or geophysics with minimum 2 years duration with 60% marks. So this is what the eligibility criteria for different posts. For senior officer reservoir, the bachelor degree in petroleum with 4 years with 65% of marks. There is only one vacancy, and the reservation age criteria is 37 years. So this is what the vacancies for different posts in senior officer. Some needs PG degree, some doesn't need any PG degree, bachelor degree is enough. So for details of posts or vacancies and educational qualifications for the grade A. So this is what medical terminology. For physiotherapist is a graduate degree or diploma in physiotherapy having 5 years of experience, and for confidential secretary, graduate with 1 year or 2 year diploma in secretarial practice or modern office management, and also equivalent knowledge in computers with minimum 2 years. So this is experience based because they are grade A posts. So this is what the age criteria for all the required qualifications and required posts. So for experience, this is what required domain or description for experience criteria, that is grade A post. So the detail for registration fees, for general category 500 plus some taxes, that is called GST. For reservation there is no fees. So selection procedure will be based on the computer based test, group discussion. So this is what the selection criteria. So there will be a computer based test for 100 marks, the weightage is 84%, and there will be a group discussion, that is for 30 marks, weightage is 5%, and personal interview for 10 marks, weightage is 10%. This is what the selection criteria for different posts, and this is for grade A. And for grade B, the selection criteria is purely based on computer based test, group discussion and personal interview. The same is the case for grade B even. So this is what the eligibility criteria and also selection criteria for different posts in different domains. And for some of the posts there is experience needed, and for some of the posts the bachelor degree is enough for legal or electrical or mechanical or instrumentation. And this is regarding the notification. Please do share this with your friends, and we will see how to apply before we get into conclusion. So the last date of submission is 30th of October 2020. So if you just click here, apply online, you'll be directed to another page, and that page looks like this. You should click on register now. This is what the recruitment of grade C, grade B and grade A officers. If you just click here to download. This is what the requisite columns you need to fill: upload a photograph, signature, and also submit a preview application page, education qualifications prescribed in the post for application. So if you just click on register here, you will be directed to this page, and the page looks like this: name of the applicant, email address. You need to fill this details: mobile number, gender, category, nationality, and this is what the page looks like. And afterwards you need to click on continue, and after that you will be getting an registration code to your mobile number and email ID. You need to log in with that. This is how you need to apply. If you have any doubts or if you face any doubts regarding this application form, please do comment. I will clear all of your doubts. Do share this with your friends so that they will be benefited. Thank you. Have a great day.